Sensors scan the donut rings, ensuring perfect spacing. A robotic arm makes precise adjustments. Now aligned, the rings move into the proofer. Every donut is checked to ensure it has the exact amount of filling. The X-ray sensor scans the donut in real time, verifying the filling is exactly 4.2 cubic centimeters. Sampling this donut for fluffiness. Now to check the cross section.
To seal the donut box, take a clear tamper-evident sticker. Carefully peel off the backing paper. Apply it to the front of the box and smooth it out.
The robot ensures every layer is perfectly square for safe transport. Precise adjustments create a stable, secure stack. First, we apply these cardboard edge guards to the corners. Press firmly to secure them. This prevents damage during shipping. With corners protected, it's ready for final wrapping. Applying edge guards to the pallet corners before final wrapping. Press firmly to secure the guard. Now, begin the final wrap. The corners are protected. Loading these into the cool zone. Got to keep the glaze from melting. All right, that's secure. Scanning pallet WH47291 now. Scan complete, status is success, moving to next.
Sample placed, initiating analysis. Analysis complete. Oil to moisture ratio is perfect.
Starting with line 1, sample collected. Titrating now, reading 68%. Line 3 next, results match, consistency confirmed. Swabbing the conveyor belt for the bacteria-free test. Surface is clean. Test confirms 100% bacteria-free. Let's lower the grip force to avoid crushing. Good. Now test the hold. Perfect. It holds without deforming. Stack secured. Moving to bay 2. Clear to load. Back in place. Okay, I'm placing the sensor inside the truck now. Attaching it to the wall, it's secure. Activating it, screen confirms 3.2 degrees, the cold chain is protected. Arranging the glazed donuts here in the front. And now for the filled ones. There we go, all set. Fresh donuts coming in. All set inside. Team, it's time to recognize our quality hero for this month. For your exceptional work, this award is well deserved. Thank you, sir. I'm truly honored. Congratulations. Keep up the great work. Final pallet, logging it in now. Scan complete, data logged into the global shipping database. All pallets are now in the system. Security clearance. Proceed to the scale for final weight verification. Weight confirmed. You are cleared to enter. Okay, everything looks good here. Great, just sign right there. All right, signing now. Hi, they all look so good. Welcome back. What's your favorite today? The chocolate sprinkles, of course. This one looks perfect. Thank you. Enjoy. All right, team, let's hit these silos. High power on the vacuums. Copy that. Hoses are secure, pressure is good.
Up top, access hatch is open, ready to start.
Good, keep it steady. Watch for clogs.
Our milk and eggs come from eco-friendly farms. Cows graze on lush pastures, and hens roam freely. Sustainable practices ensure fresh, quality ingredients.